Expensive housing in Singapore has prompted many to look to Malaysia for more affordable deals, and Chinese developers want to cash in on the appetite for housing in Malaysia. Case in point, Country Garden, a Hong Kong-listed Chinese developer with a market cap of more than $10 billion. It already has 3 projects in Malaysia and says there's more potential to be reaped. Wang Xiuying reports.
Home buyers in China will be familiar with luxury apartments and 4-story villas like these, which are part of Country Garden's integrated township projects in Guangzhou. The firm says its overall sales in China have grown by 30% this year. In the first half of 2013, it achieved contracted sales of nearly 33.7 billion RMB. That's about 71% of sales done in the whole of last year, and it's now eyeing overseas expansion.
未来我们集团可能会把整个我们的比重是国外占到我们整个的20%，省内就是广东省范围内我们占到30%，我们的马来西亚类似于这样的海外市场我们占到我们20%，我们的省外 占到我们的50%。现在集团发展到一定地步，它未来绝对是个不是中国公司，它可能是世界级的公司。
In assessing the overseas investment opportunities, Country Garden looked at markets like Russia, Canada, New Zealand, Australia and Indonesia before deciding on Malaysia, and that's largely due to the attractive locations in Malaysia as well as its economic growth potential. One of its iconic projects in Malaysia is Country Garden at Danggar Bay in the Iskandar region. The mixed development has nearly 10,000 residential units with an estimated gross development value of 18 billion Malaysian ringgit. The average selling price could range between 700 and 1,000 ringgit per square foot. And units at Danggar Bay are likely to share some similar features like these at its 10-mile beach project in China. Country Garden says in a preview of Phase 1 of its Danggar Bay project, it has received indication of interest from over 10,000 potential buyers. Analysts say the positive response received by Chinese developers like Country Garden and Zhuoyuan in Iskandar recently will attract more developers to follow suit.
We have been constantly receiving inquiries actually from China developer, of which some have actually had their presence in Singapore, who are keen to explore the possibility of acquiring land in Iskandar. Yeah. In particular, I would say the flagship B and flagship A, which is JB Central and Nusa Jaya area.
Orange Tea projects that there are currently 15,000 residential units under development in the Danggar Bay area.